Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Volkswagen Golf 7. Golf 7 2012 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is big box. Let me check. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. The canvas and the harness. Okay, this is the head unit you can check. It's 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen, special for Volkswagen. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Volkswagen. This VW is Volkswagen canvas special canvas box. This connect our back head unit. Okay, this is special for power cable Volkswagen Golf 7. Okay, there is AUX input. This is AUX input, and this camera input. This camera input. Okay. It will come with GPS antenna. This GPS antenna and external microphone. This is radio antenna. Radio antenna. Okay, this camera input. Camera input RC type. This is original USB for Volkswagen. Original USB, you can check this USB port. Okay. And this audio cable, this connect our back head unit. This subwoofer and video out 1 and video out 2. This AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay, this camera, this AUX input, this connect our back head unit. This AUX input, this video input. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check this special for Volkswagen. 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen. This microphone, this reset how this buttons is SD card slot. You can check the side. It's single DIN. Okay, let me show back. You can check. There are two USB cable and external microphone. Two USB cable. This is long cable. Okay, this is connectors. Okay, this is radio antenna. This is Wi-Fi antenna. This is power. This is fuse, GPS. Okay. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Connect the power cable. Start. You can check head unit will be start. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, let me check. You can check adjust the brightness. This volume button, this back button, and the home button. Let me show. This time you can update by GPS and Wi-Fi network. This will update data and time automatically. This radio. Long click to get the radio stations. You can search radio stations, and you can check. All apps are here. Very fast response. It built in this Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can connect it by USB. Okay, and it's vehicle information for the decoder by CAN bus. Is speed, oil, and other Volkswagen informations. Okay. This video disabled. It's built in Google Maps and built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's easy connection for Mirrorlink, Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. Amplifier. Let me show the settings. About machine, you can check the MCU variant, CPU octa-core memory size 4 GB, This model PX5 octa-core Android 9 Pie system. Okay. It's RP address 15. Okay. It's built in the Wi-Fi network and supports VPN hotspots from your phone. Storage. You check the storage. You can check this ROM 64GB storage. Okay, let me show the car settings. It's personal settings. You can change this button color with gray, blue, and orange. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Personal settings, it will autoplay music when your USB or SD card is inserted. It's power off, LED settings, and other is vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone, night mode, illumination. Navigation settings, you can set the Google Maps and other map navigation sound. GPS test when you connect the GPS antenna. Okay, this is car settings. Okay, it has other settings. This system you can change the language. You can add a language. Any language is already built in. So many languages. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.